Welcome back to class 9th again students. Today in this video I'm going to explain you exercise 10.5 which is based on two theorems. Okay. So first of all I would like to introduce with two theorems. What are the theorems? First theorem is angle subtended by a chord of a circle at its center is equals to angle subtended by the at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Like if you will draw a circle, right? Angle subtended by an arc, let it be arc. This is a arc AB at center. This angle will be double of angle subtended by it at any point on remaining part. Remaining part of circle, I'm taking this point. This would be double of this. This angle would be double of this. Means angle 1, this is angle 2. So angle 1 would be double of angle 2. This is a theorem. Again I'm going to explain you. See, if one circle is given to you, if angle subtended by one arc at center, and from same 2 points, same arcs, if you will subtend angle at any other point on the circle, this point is on the circle, this angle would be double of this. This point can be this also, like if I'll draw. This angle would be double of this. Okay. So this is the first theorem. Second theorem, students. See, what's the second theorem? Angles in same segment of a circle are equal. This is a circle. And this one is a segment. On this segment only, if you will subtend an angle at the circle, on the circle, this angle is first angle, and any other angle here, second angle. These two angles would be equal. That is, angle 1 would be equals to angle 2 by using theorem 10.9. Okay, so these are the two theorems we are going to use. So on the basis of these theorems, let's start with our exercise 10.5, which is very simple, students. See, if one circle is given to you, 10.5, ABC are the 3 points on a circle. Okay, first of all, let's draw the circle. ABC are the 3 points, A, B, C. I have taken 3 points. Figure is given to you in the question only. With center O. O is the center of circle, such that BOC is equals to 30 degree. This BOC is equals to 30 degree given to you. And AOP is equals to 60 degree. AOP, this angle is 60 degree. What you have to find, D is any point on circle, and you have to find this angle, ADC. By using the theorem, as you know very well that this is an arc, angle subtended by an arc at center, that is angle AOC, would be double of, right, angle subtended at any point, that is ADC, angle ADC. This would be double. What is the angle AOC? You have to write the theorem in bracket. Okay, in bracket you have to write the theorem. So what's the value of AOC? 60 plus 30, that would be 90, is equals to double of ADC. So 2 will come this side, it would be divided. So ADC would be 45 degree. That's it. Very simple. Given to proof you have to write. Okay. This is the basic concept of the question only. This was first question. Clear? Now question number 2. What's the question? A chord of a circle is equals to the radius of the circle. Let's draw a circle first of all. The chord of circle, this is the chord AB.